Hi everyone. So welcome to this session. Today I'll walk you through the exam API endpoint solution. So we will cover how the API works step by step and see how you can use them effectively. So this is our website. You can find this API doc button over here, and when you click on this, you will land on this API documentation page, and this is the API reference where you can refer all of the APIs. So let's talk about first thing first, the authentication. So before you can use any of the API, you need an access token. So you can send the username and the password to the authentication API. So our system will generate a token for you, which you can find it over here. This is going to be your access token, which you will need for all the other requests. If something goes wrong, you will get the relative response as well. Okay, so now let's talk about the exam create API, which is going to be a post request. So here under the exam evaluation section, you can find the exam paper, and let's talk about this first exam API. So obviously this is going to be a post request. You provide details like exam name, subject, grade, and etc. The metadata which is required for the exam creation. Once you submit, you will get back the unique ID, which is going to be the exam ID for that particular exam. And just think of it as the official reference number for the exam which you have uploaded. So here also you can find the relative response if anything goes wrong. So let's quickly have a look in this API in the Postman how it works. So this is going to be the request body for this particular API. So once you have all of the required data, you just hit the send button, and after you just get this exam ID against the whatever the exam you have uploaded. Yes. Okay, so this is all about the exam API. In the next session, we're gonna talk about the patch request and how you can upload the documents for any exam. Thank you.